Thanks for tuning in for another essential RC flight test. And I don't flight test many airliners, but when I saw this pop up on a Facebook, my Facebook feed, I was instantly attracted to it. It's the X-Flight A320. So ordered one, I actually ordered a couple of these. One in United Airlines scheme and one in a Continental scheme that's arriving very soon actually. So it looks nice. I have to say it's been a bit of a challenge. There was missing hardware, some of the hardware, you know, some of the screws weren't long enough to get the aileron horns on. One of the servos was faulty. So it's been a bit of a challenge to put it together, I'll be honest. I was a bit disappointed in the quality of it. So it took longer to put together than it should have done, put it that way. So we're let's fly it. Let's see how it goes. The one thing, a couple of things I'll say about it: it doesn't have flaps. It has two 50mm fans, and it's running on a 3S 2200 pack. So it's a pretty little airliner. To me, it doesn't. The wing doesn't look as big as I would expect it to. So I'm a little bit worried. I am a little bit worried about it, especially about it not having flaps. And look at the ailerons; they're tiny. They're quite tiny, but proof will be in how it flies, if it flies. I just think airliners have their own characteristics in terms of flying and can be challenging. So we'll give it a go. We'll see if we can get it in the air and fly it. Yeah. Here we go. That didn't go very well, did it? Now, I will say I have got the centre of gravity is on the money as they state in the instructions. So problem number one of the retracts has pulled out, which it looks like it's pulled out cleanly. And it's not like I haven't seen this on other models. It's glued into the foam. Doesn't look like there's a lot of glue. So back in a couple of minutes after gluing it in, and we'll try again. So you know, if you're in the factory and you put these things together, it really wouldn't hurt to just use a bit more glue so that these type of things don't happen.
And looking at it, Dom, there was hardly any glue on it, was there?
No, I can't see any.
No.
I can't see a trace of any glue. Still.
These things are sent to test us, Dom.
Take two.
The other wheel's fallen out.
I'm gonna hand launch the bleeping thing in a minute. Ridiculous. I can't remember if that's the one that came out in the first place. No, I think no. It's I think that's the other one now. Kind of predictable, isn't it? Should we go? Should we go and glue that one back in?
Should we? Yeah.
Shall we?
Should we go for a take three?
Yeah.
Third time lucky.
Ready? You're recording, yeah?
Yeah. Wow. In true airliner style, do we get a roll, Dom?
You kidding? No, you don't. Oh God, the sun. Roll.
No rolls?
No roll. One more pass. Oh,
They roll full-size airliners in test.
I'm concentrating. Nice, gear down. Oh my God.
How was it, Dom?
I would have liked flaps for landing. I actually clicked my flap switch, but it had absolutely no effect. Well, one, I'm amazed it got in the air because it doesn't have an astronomical amount of power. But once in the air, I mean, it does fly. It had to fly quick. It was wallowing around quite a bit. One of the mains has come out again.
Oh, we've lost the gear again.
But it's popped out in the same way. So I'm going to have to get my my weld. I'm going to have to weld these in when I get home. Or maybe we'll try again. I haven't got another pack. But yeah, the other thing about this, Jace, is I paid. Wait for it. I'm in the UK. So after import and everything, and the model is like $270, and I pay after delivery and import tax, it's $315, $320. It is not worth that.
So you paid 320 quid
for this.
For this foamy.
Well, do you know what? There are other foamy airliners out there that warrant the price because they are big and they do have the detail and everything. But sorry, you know, this should be half the price. There's no way it should be over $300, you know, maybe topping up at $200 with a really nice scheme, but no way $300. Unless you're really into airliners and you want to pay a premium for a 50mm EDF, twin EDF, but it does need to fly fast because, you know, I think because of the wing area is not that large. I think it should have been larger, but there you go. There you go. So we'll try and work out the kinks. There you go. That's the X-Flight A320, and we'll do a review of another one soon. I don't know if the assembly of it will be different to this, or whether it's basically just the same thing with a different scheme. I don't know, but we'll try it out. We'll let you know. But that's the X-Flight A320. A very expensive foamy for what it is. But thanks for watching this one. Thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. You might want to subscribe for more in the future. Just click that button, but make sure you do the alert button as well, the bell icon, so that you get notifications. That's it. Thanks to Jason on camera again. Fantastic job, buddy.
No problem, as always.
Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Bye. I'm concentrating. Oh my god.